I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by stopping the algorithm's training data. First, sign in and go straight to history. Clear all watch and search history to remove past signals that feed recommendations. Once done, toggle pause watch history and pause search history so new views don't retrain suggestions. This is crucial because YouTube uses those logs to predict what to show you. Make sure you pause both histories, otherwise, the feed will rebuild quickly from new activity. Next, neutralize remaining signals and hide the feed you don't want. As you see unwanted videos, mark Not Interested and choose Don't Recommend Channel. This sends direct feedback to the system. Turn off autoplay so video ends, don't queue similar content. If you need a stronger block, use incognito or sign out for browsing, or install a browser tool to hide the home feed and up next. This prevents exposure while you rebuild a cleaner profile. Doing these steps reduces both short and long-term recommendations. Finish by auditing account-wide settings and verifying changes. Visit Google Activity Controls to stop YouTube from saving future activity and disable personalized ads if you want less tailored content overall. Make sure your mobile app has autoplay and history pause too. If recommendations still appear, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, or revoke YouTube's activity access in Google settings, then reopen YouTube. That step forces the service to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.